Science, art and technology crossover in the latest exhibition to celebrate the 500th anniversary of the death of Leonardo da Vinci.
2019 is a big year for Leonardo da Vinci. 500 years from his death, and the city of Florence has not stopped celebrating with events, exhibitions and installations taking over the city. Da Vinci is known for his interdisciplinarity, discovering and studying through art, mathematics, science and nature. The exhibition, the Botany of Leonardo, taking place principally in the Santa Maria Novella museum, is a full-on representation of this, showcasing manuscripts, interactive installations and huge polyhedras, geometrical structures, dotted throughout the city. In the grand cloister of Santa Maria Novella, as well as a number of other piazzas around Florence, 5 solid geometric shapes were on display that, according to Plato, building on Pythagorean ideas, gave form to the 4 elements of the cosmos. The hexahedron represents the land, icosahedron water, octahedron air, and the tetrahedron represents fire. Leonardo studied mathematics and geometry in Milan, thanks to the acquaintance he made with Fra Luca Pacioli at the court of Lodovico il Moro. It was through this relationship that Leonardo gained profound insights into arithmetic, Euclidean geometry, proportion, and the founding elements of the cosmos. The exhibition outlines not only the specific workings of Leonardo da Vinci, but also has contemporary philosophical and technological contexts that shaped his work. Through the pages of the Codex Atlanticus, he explored the scarcity of water, floral compositions, the usefulness of glasses, and the effects of percussion on elastic and non-elastic objects. Leonardo's writings and illustrations capture prominent insights into the history of botany, mapping out a dynamic vision of science that is almost artistic in its representation. The exhibition is at the Santa Maria Novella complex until December 2019.